Welcome back, boys and girls. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Scotiabank. So Scotiabank is basically also known as Nova Scotia. So don't get confused if you guys hear the word Nova Scotia. It's the similar thing. It's basically a multinational, bank located in Canada. It's located in various states of Canada. So if you guys have an account in this bank, you can access it from the place of other states of Canada as well, where it has its, branch. So it's pretty easy for you guys wherever you live in Canada. And there's other advantage as well. Just, go to his website to know more about it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can, log in into your, Nova Scotia bank account. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment. Let's move on, shall we? You want to, search for Bank of Nova Scotia. After you do that, you want to click on Register Personal Banking Scotia Canada. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website. Once you're over there, you want to click on Register Sign In. Once you click on Sign In, it's going to take you to the sign in page of Scotiabank. Once you're over here, just enter your username or your card number, whichever thing you have, and then you want to enter the password of your account. After you do that, you just want to click on Sign In and you should be able to log in into your account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into Scotiabank's account, or in another word, Nova Scotia. Hope you guys were able to understand. See you guys in my next video. Do like and subscribe with notification on, and bye-bye.